The backwards loop cast on is a favorite of mine when I want a really, really stretchy cast on or when I want to pick up stitches later and knit the other way. So I generally don't make any extra knots in my cast on, and you can actually start this without a knot as long as you hold onto your yarn. And the first thing I'm going to do is make a loop. So you can see the tail is to the right, my ball of yarn is to my left, and I have the tail going over the top and the part that's going to the ball of yarn going under. Now I'm just going to hold that and I'm going to keep making loops, just like that first one. So you can actually cast on in the middle of a row with this, and it's perfect for underarms, especially in seamless sweaters, where you're going to pick up and knit the other way. This cast on will completely disappear and it will be just as stretchy as if you hadn't cast on at all there. So just keep looping. Make sure that your right leg is in front and your left leg is in back. And there you have your backwards loop cast on, sometimes called an E cast on by machine knitters.